Hey there, Shamshad is here with another quick tutorial. आज मैं आपको दिखाने वाला हूँ कि Microsoft Office के किसी भी प्रोडक्ट में आप QR कोड कैसे इंसर्ट कर सकते हो. But the question is, why do we really need to insert a QR code? So for example, you are giving a presentation in front of a wider audience and you want at the end of the presentation, you want them back for your feedback or in form of the survey, or you want them back to write any queries via email, or they can also reach out to you using a phone number. But you can put all of this information on the slide and they can simply type in and they can come back to you. But there are chances of errors and it's very tedious process and the time consuming. And when do we have an option of using a QR code, it's become very simple for them to scan using their phone and they can simply navigate with their respective website, email ID or phone number. Let's jump on my PC and I'll show you a step-by-step process how we can create a QR code in any of the Microsoft Office product, whether it is Word, Excel or PowerPoint. Here I am on my PC and this is the latest version of Microsoft Office 365. You will not find QR code as a predefined option in any of the Microsoft Office product. You probably need to add in as a add-ins. So what do you need to do is go to Insert tab and you will see two things: Get Add-ins and My Add-ins. Whatever add-ins that you add from Get Add-ins, it will be added to My Add-ins. So let's go and hit Get Add-ins first. And here you will see all of the add-ins that we have in the Microsoft PowerPoint or Microsoft Office products. I'm gonna type QR and just hit on search button. Here you'll find QR Office code and just click on this add. It will ask for a term license and privacy policy, just continue. Now here you will see QR Office code in PowerPoint. In case if you are not able to see here, go to My Add-ins and here you can see all of your add-ins that you have been added to your MS Office product. Click on this, add and close. So here we have QR Office code added into PowerPoint. We have few different options provided here. Let me open this drop down. Here you can see a different types of URL or the text that you can provide and we can simply encode them as a QR code. The first one is as a website. You can add as a secure website. You can add email ID, your telephone number, SMS or geographical locations. You can also create a custom QR code. So for this tutorial, let's say I have a presentation and at the end I just want them back to reach out to my YouTube channel. If they like my tutorial or they like my videos, I can go and ask them to, hey, if you like my videos, can you check out my channel? So here is the link. So instead of their clicking on the link or typing this link on their mobile phone, I can provide a QR code on this presentation and they can simply scan using their mobile phone and they can visit my YouTube channel. So in this case, I'm gonna copy this link and I'm gonna paste it over here. Now you see this QR code has been created and this is the default version of a QR code. We have couple of options that we can play around. So first one is color options. You can change the color option if you need. For example, if I select, let's say blue color, or if you want to change the background of a QR code, you also can change. Let's say in this case, if I make gray color. So this is how you can change the color and the background of the QR code, but I'm gonna go with the original one, which is black and the white background. So I'm gonna hit black color as the QR color and white as a background color. And there is another option that you can make the size of a QR smaller or larger or medium based on your requirement. And if I drag this option to the right side, and you can see the QR size of the QR code has been increased. This is how it's gonna look like when you're gonna insert this QR code into your presentation. So make sure that you are selecting the right size of a QR code, and you can see if anybody scans this QR code, it will be directed to www.youtube.com/ c/positive hub, which is my YouTube channel. Let's go ahead and insert this. Now you see this QR code has been added. You can resize it, you can make it smaller or larger, and I will show you how it will work using my mobile phone. So if I simply scan using my mobile phone, then it will simply direct to my YouTube channel. Let's see how it works. Alright, that's great. You can also copy and paste this particular QR code into Word or Excel or anywhere. If you wanna share this QR code, it will work. Let me show you how it will work in Word document or Excel. The all methodology would remain the same way that we have created using PowerPoint. Go to Insert, go to My Add-ins. You'll see the QR Office code is here. Click on this, Add. The QR Office code will appear over here. I will make everything as a default and I'm gonna hit Insert. Here is the QR code has been added into Word. You can resize it or you can copy and paste anywhere between Microsoft Office product. Let's say if I go to my PowerPoint and I can simply paste it. That's all from this tutorial. Hope you find this very useful. It is very easy and simple to create QR code using Microsoft Office product. If you want your audience to come back to you via email, phone number, SMS, or if you want to come back on a survey feedback form, or if you want them to visit your website, just go ahead and create a QR code using Microsoft Office product and share the QR code with your audience. It will be very easy for them to navigate to their respective sites, email ID, phone number, or SMS. And the most important is it will avoid any error typing it manually. Hope you love this tutorial. Share your thought in the comment box and I will see you guys in the next video with another tutorial. Until then, bye bye, take care.